Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Brawl Stars World Finals rewards. It's an exciting time for all brawlers, and earning those exclusive in-game items can really enhance your experience. We'll go over the essential steps you need to take, from understanding the event mechanics to successfully claiming your well-deserved prizes. Get ready to dive into the world of competitive Brawl Stars and unlock some fantastic rewards just by being part of the action. Let's get started. The primary method for earning World Finals rewards is by tuning into the official live broadcasts. Make sure your Supercell ID is securely linked to the viewing platform, as this is how your progress is tracked and rewards are delivered directly to your game account. Often, rewards are tied to specific watch time milestones, so the more you watch, the more you can earn. Keep an eye out for special in-stream drops too, as these can offer instant gratification for dedicated viewers. Happy watching! Beyond just watching, you can significantly boost your reward haul by participating in prediction challenges. These often involve guessing the outcomes of matches or specific in-game events during the World Finals. Correct predictions can net you extra tokens, coins, or even exclusive skins. Also, keep an eye out for any community-driven challenges or minigames that might pop up around the event. Engaging actively with these opportunities is a fantastic way to grab even more awesome prizes for your brawlers. Don't miss out. To ensure you don't miss any rewards, always stay connected with the official Brawl Stars social media channels and the in-game news section. They provide crucial updates on event schedules, reward claiming windows, and any last-minute changes. Remember to claim your rewards within the specified time frame, as they might expire. Finally, always keep your Brawl Stars game updated to the latest version. This helps prevent any technical glitches that could interfere with receiving your hard-earned World Finals prizes. Good luck, brawlers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.